ครับ
Here today at Elephant's World with a new little baby elephant that was born like a month ago, right? It is so cute and so naughty.
เฮ้ยระวังแม่ระวังแม่มันพี่โอ้
They're so small, but still weigh about 100 kilos, right? So cute. So cute. So cute, but there's a lot of energy in them, right? And the mother is very protective. The mother is very protective, but still fairly chilled out. It was so playful, just like a little monkey. This one's a male, so a little extra energy. Size of the legs. Now, last week we had a wild one. A wild one that came to our land. A lot of energy.
เอาดังอ่ะ ระวังแม่มันเลย
He's back again to play. Very cute, very cute. A lot of energy, but very cute.
ระวังแม่มันนะพี่
แม่ละมึงเน่าเลยแม่ละ
Hola, hola.
แม่มันให้มา
Another lovely day around our land. Woo.